this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Google Pixel phone. So the first thing we want to do is go to the top right and then go to the power option right here and go to power off. So when our phone is completely turned off, it's very easy from here. All we have to do is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So you can see it's shutting down. Hold these two buttons down now. Just continue to hold this down. And it should launch into the recovery screen pretty quickly. Then go on through here and we want to go to recovery mode. So use the volume up and down arrows, or the volume up and down for the volume control. And then go to recovery mode and then hit the power button. Now you're going to see something that says no command. You can just hold down the power button, tap volume up, power button, tap volume up. And then you can see this actual menu. Press volume down, go on over to wipe data, factory reset, and then press the power button right here. Now you have to do it one more time, and then you can actually hard reset your phone, and this is going to wipe everything off your phone. However, if you do have everything backed up to Google, you should be able to just log into your account, go to the backup, and it should sync everything on to your phone again. So just go to Google Services and go to Account Backup, and you should be able to get everything back on here. Some photos and videos might not be on there, but like your text and your contacts should. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.